All right, let's dive right into it. Today, we're talking about something every single content creator deals with: how to use a powerful AI assistant to completely supercharge your creative process. We're going to go from that dreaded blank page to a post that's not just done, but is genuinely, authentically you.
We have all been there, right? You sit down, you're ready to go, and then there it is. That blinking cursor just taunting you. You start thinking, what on earth do I post today? What do I even have to say? You know, that feeling of being totally stuck before you've even written a single word, it's the most frustrating part of creating anything.
And look, this blank page problem isn't just frustrating, it's a massive time suck. It's probably the single biggest hurdle we face. All that brain power we waste just trying to get started. Imagine what else we could do with that energy.
But what if you could just change that? What if you could get a really solid first draft, a strong foundation to build on, in just a few seconds? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. A method that saves you time and lets you skip right over that initial creative roadblock.
Okay, so let's get into the how. This is the secret sauce, really. Because the quality of what you get from any AI tool is 100% tied to the quality of the instructions you give it. You can't just expect it to read your mind. You have to be a super clear director.
So I use a really simple but incredibly powerful framework. It's called RTCF. First up is R for role. Tell the AI who you want it to be: a witty social media manager, a serious financial advisor. Next is T for task. Be crystal clear. What exactly do you want it to do? Then C for context. Give it the background info it needs. Who's your audience? What's the goal? And finally, F for format. How do you want it to look? A bulleted list, a caption with emojis? This little framework turns a generic robot into your own personal, fine-tuned assistant.
All right, enough talk. Let's see how this framework actually works in the real world. We're going to put it to the test right now and watch it build a social media post completely from scratch.
Okay, so let's imagine I want to create a post about imposter syndrome. I'll use our RTCF framework. For role, I'll tell it, you are a content creator for a coaching business. For the task, I'll say, brainstorm 3 social media post ideas about imposter syndrome. For context, I'll add, my audience is new entrepreneurs who often feel like they aren't good enough. And for format, I'll ask for a catchy headline and a short description for each one.
And bam! Just like that, in literally seconds, the AI spits back 3 really distinct ideas. I'm looking at this one here, the 3 surprising signs of imposter syndrome. I like that. It's specific, it's intriguing. So yeah, let's take that idea and see what we can do with it.
Now, this is where it gets really fun, because we can build on it. I'll give it a follow-up prompt based on that idea we just picked. Something like, great, now take that third idea and draft a full social media caption for me. And I'll get more specific. Make sure you include a strong hook at the start and a call to action at the end that asks a question. We're guiding it step by step from a simple idea to a full draft.
Now just stop and think about that for a second. Less than a minute ago, we had absolutely nothing, just a blank screen. Now, we have a complete, structured draft ready for the next step. This is the true power here. It's not just about saving time, it's about completely destroying that initial inertia that stops so many of us.
But, and I really want you to hear this because it's the most important part of this whole explainer, we are not done. An AI draft is only the beginning. Now we have to make it human. This is where the human touch method comes in.
I absolutely love this metaphor. Think of the AI draft like the first coat of paint you put on a wall. It's the primer. It covers the surface, it does the basic job, but it has no texture, no depth, no personality. Our job now is to come in and add all the details that make it ours.
And the method is so simple. 3 easy steps. First, add a personal story. Even a tiny one. It instantly builds a connection. Second, infuse your unique voice. Read the draft out loud. Does that sound like something you would actually say? If not, change the words until it does. And third, ask a specific question, not a generic one. Ask something that really makes people think and invites a real conversation.
And this right here, this illustrates the difference perfectly. The AI draft might end with a lazy, "What do you think?" But the human touch? That turns it into, "What's one small step you're taking this week to beat imposter syndrome?" See the difference? One is just a post.
The other is the start of a real conversation. It's no longer just content. It's a genuine connection.
So, now is your turn to put this into practice. I want you to think of a topic you've been putting off, and just try it. Use the framework to get the draft, then use the human touch method to make it yours.
So if you take one thing away from this, let it be this. AI is not here to replace you. Not at all. It is the most amazing brainstorming partner you could ever ask for, one that helps you get over the hardest part of the creative process. It's just a tool, a really powerful tool, in your toolbox.
And never, ever forget that. Your stories, your unique way of seeing the world, your voice, that is what people actually connect with. You are the heart and soul of your brand. And that is something no AI, no matter how advanced, can ever replicate.
So, with this new assistant in your corner, ready to smash through that writer's block for you, what incredible story will you finally get out of your head and share with the world? I seriously can't wait to see what you create.